MS-DOS or Microsoft DOS operating system. DOS is an operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. Let's open Microsoft DOS. On taskbar on Start button, click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on Command Prompt. This is Microsoft DOS screen. Or you can open Microsoft DOS by another way also. Let's close it. Click on Start button on taskbar. In Run, click on Run box. Here, type CMD in Open dialog box. Click on OK. Now, this is Microsoft DOS screen. Now, this is title bar. You can see C/Windows System 32./cmd.exe. It is title bar, and you can see Microsoft Windows XP version 5.1.2600. It is DOS version, and copyright 1985-2001 Microsoft Corporations. So here, this whole area that we can see is DOS window, and here you can see a vertical scroll bar, and it is scroll box that you can use to move the this screen up and down. Here, let's use some internal commands. Let's change the directory or CD. It is used to return to the main drive. CD dot dot. See, we have returned to the documents and settings. Now again CD dot dot. Okay. Now we are in C drive. It is called C prompt. C:/ and caret. You can see it is or greater than sign. It is called C prompt. Now let's begin internal commands. CLS, it clears the screen. Type CLS in C prompt. Now press enter. See, the screen has been clear. If you type something like, okay, press enter, press enter. These are the different messages you can see here. Now if you want to clear the whole screen, type CLS command. Now press enter. See, the screen has been clear. So CLS command clears the screen. DATE, date, it displays current system date, and it also allows to change system date. For example, type DATE date in C prompt. Now press enter. See, you can say the current date is Thursday 01/01/2015. Enter the new date. If you want to change date, you can type new date. For example, if you want to change the date like 01/02/2015, now press enter. Now the date has been changed. If you want to get the new change date again, type DATE date command, press enter. See, you can get the new date. Here you can see the current date is Friday 01/02/2015. Previously it was Thursday 01/01/2015, but now here Friday 01/02/2015. Like this we can change system date. If you do not want to change system date, press enter without typing any new date. See, now you are in C drive. Now next internal command, that is time. Time. It displays current system time. Type time in C prompt. Now press enter. You can see the current time is, this is current system time. It is in 24 format. Now let's change the system time. 01 colon 05 colon 10 dot 10 or 15. Now press enter. Now the system has been changed. System time has been changed. Now let's view the system time. Type time command in C prompt. Now press enter. See? Now the current time is 1:05:25.32. It means it is 1 o'clock and 5 minutes 25 seconds. Like this we can change system time. If you want to change time again, you can type the new time in the enter the new time, otherwise press enter. Now again we are in C prompt. Now if you want to clear the screen, type CLS, press enter. Again screen has been clear. Now next internal commands, that is dir. Dir, it shows a list of the files and directories. Here we are in C drive, so it displays a list of directories of C drive. Type dir. Now press enter. See, here you can see a list of files and directories of C drive. Now let's change drive. To change drive, here currently we are in C drive. Now to get D drive, type D colon, press enter. See, the drive letter has been changed. Now type CLS to clear the screen. See, the screen has been clear. Here now we are in D drive. Type dir to display a list of files and directories of D drive. Press enter. See, you can here see a list of files and directories on D drive. Now let's clear the screen again. CLS, press enter. Now if you want to go to the C drive again, type C colon, press enter. BER. It displays the MS-DOS version number. Press enter. It is Microsoft Windows XP version 5.1.2016. It is the version of Microsoft DOS currently we are using here. BOL. It is next internal command. It shows the disk volume label and serial number. For example, type vol, press enter. See, the volume in drive C has no label, so the volume serial number here you can see 0459-2821. It is the volume serial number. Now let's clear the screen. CLS, press enter. Now let's use next internal command. Let's change drive again. if you want to go to any drive, for example, I want to change this drive, D drive. Now D colon, press enter. Here we are in D drive now. Let's use next internal command, that is copycon. C-O-P-Y, copy, C-O-N, con, copycon. This command is used to create a new file. For example, type copycon in prompt or D prompt or C prompt, anywhere, space. Now give any new name, for example, computer.txt. .txt is the file extension of text file that will be browsed in Notepad. Now press enter. It is the free area where you can type any message. For example, I am working with MS-DOS. Suppose this is a content of my file written by Harry. Suppose this is a content message or content of my file. Now here we have typed a content. I am working with MS-DOS written by Harry. Now if you want to save this content in computer.txt file, now press Ctrl and Z key. Now press enter. Here you have got a message of files copied. It refers the file is saved. Now let's clear the screen. You have created a file in D drive. तपाईले D drive मा फाइल बनाउनु भएको छ, computer.txt नाम गरेको. ल हेरौँ है त, विन्डोज मा गएर हेरौँ. जस्तै कम्प्युटरमा डबल क्लिक गर्नुहोस्. Inside D drive, here we have a file named with computer. See, it is a file that we created from Microsoft DOS. You can just double click on it to open. See, it is the content that we had created in Microsoft DOS. Like this we can create txt file using Microsoft DOS. Now just close this file. Here we open this file in Windows. But if you want to open file, previously created file in Microsoft DOS, you have to type 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 command. This type type command is used to see the contents of a text file. Now let's type type type. It is command name. It displays the contents of the created file. Now specify the file name. Like our previous file name was computer.txt. Now press enter. When you press enter, you will see the contents of previously created file. Press enter. See, again the previously created file contents has been displayed in the screen. Like this we can use type command to see the contents of file in Microsoft DOS. Here we have file computer.txt. Now if you want to change this file name, you have to use rename or ren command. ren or rename rename command is used to rename the file. Now type rename space. Now you have to give the old file name or file name 1. For example, we want to change computer.txt. So type computer.txt. Now space. Now type new name. What do you want to change this computer.txt? For example, I want to change it as harry.txt. So harry.txt. This computer.txt is old file name. Now here we have given one space, and here harry.txt is new file name. Now press enter. Now the file has been renamed. For example, if you try to open this file computer.txt, you may not open. For example, type type space computer.txt. Now press enter. See, here you have a message. The system cannot find the file specified. Why? Because the file has been renamed already. So let's try to open harry.txt. type type space. Now type a file name harry.txt. Press enter. See, the file content has been displayed. Previously this file content was in computer.txt, but that file has been renamed with the new name harry.txt. So here you can see a new name harry.txt, and the contents also in this same file. Like this we can rename the specified file in Microsoft DOS. Now let's clear the screen. CLS. Press enter. Now let's use next internal commands, that is copy. Copy. This command copies a file or source to another location, or it makes a duplicate copy of a file into another file. For example, copy space. Now we have a file like harry.txt. Now space, you can give any new name. For example, RAM. Press enter. See, here you can see a message of files copied. It means the contents of harry.txt have been copied into RAM. For example, let's open RAM. type. This command is used to view the contents of a file. Space, type RAM, whether the contents of harry.txt are copied or not. Press enter. See, here you can see a contents of file of harry.txt inside RAM, RAM, a file name with RAM. Like this we can copy the content from one file to another file using copy command in Microsoft DOS. Let's clear the screen. CLS. Now let's use another internal command, that is erase or del, or erase. It is used to delete the file. For example, if you want to delete harry.txt, you can type del or erase space. Now specify the file name which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete here harry.txt. Press enter. Now the file has been deleted. To check whether the file is deleted or not, just use type command to open the file. Type space harry.txt. Press enter. Here you have seen a message The system cannot find the file specified. Why? Because the file has been deleted from the computer system. Now type cls again. If you want to delete the next file like RAM, type del space. Now type the file which you want to delete. For example, RAM that we have already created here in Microsoft DOS. Press enter. Now let's check whether the file is deleted or not. Try to open that file using type command. type type space RAM. Here you can see a message. A system cannot find file specified. Why? The file is deleted, so here I cannot open the file. Like this we can delete the created file. Now let's clear the screen again. cls, press enter. Let's use other internal commands. md or make directory. It is used to make directory, or in Windows it is used to create a folder. Here in Microsoft DOS it is called directory. For example, type md space. Now give the new directory name. For example, what do you want to store inside it? For example, songs. Now press enter. Here we have created a folder or a directory with the name songs. Now if you want to create another folder again, type md command space. Now new directory name, for example, photos. Press enter. Here we have created two directories inside D drive. It is called folder in Windows, but in DOS it is called songs. In DOS directory. Windows मा folder भने जस्तै Microsoft DOS मा चाहिँ directory भनिन्छ. Let's check whether we created two folders inside D drive or not. Let's go to computer or my computer. Now inside D drive, let's open D drive. Here we have created two folders. This is photos and this is songs. Now just double click on it to open. See, the photos folder is empty now. Let's click on back. Now just open this songs folder. This folder is also empty now. Now let's close this Windows folder explorer. Now here we are in Microsoft DOS. Now let's create other folders inside these folders or directories. To get inside these directories, for example, I want to get inside songs folder or directory. To get inside any folder, type cd. It is used to change the directory. Space. Now type the directory name where you want to get inside. songs. Songs. Press enter. Now we are inside songs folder or songs directory. Now if you want to create other directory inside this songs directory, type md again. Now space. Inside songs, if you want to create Hindi, Nepali, English, three folders or directory, type md space now Nepali. Press enter. Now type md space now Hindi. Press enter. Now MD space English. Here we have 3 directories inside songs directory. These are subdirectories. That is called nested folders in Windows. हामीले songs folder भित्र नेपाली, हिन्दी र इंग्लिश तीनवटा फोल्डर क्रिएट गरिसकेको छौं। यदि नेपाली फोल्डर भित्र हामी फेरि विभिन्न songs का प्रकारहरू जस्तै मोडर्न, रिमिक्स, पप भनेर छुट्टा-छुट्टै डाइरेक्टरीहरू बनाउन सक्छौं। Now to press enter. Now to get inside Nepali folder, type CD. It is used to get inside the particular folder. Space. Now in which folder do you want to get inside? For example, here we want to get inside or we want to open Nepali folder. So NEPALI CD space Nepali. This CD command opens this Nepali folder. Press enter. See, here we are inside Nepali folder. Now create or make more directory like MD space pop, MD space remix, MD space sentimental. Like this we can get inside the particular desired directory and we can create subdirectories inside it. Press enter. Now if you want to create some other folders inside the photos folder, now just change the directory. To come to the main drive or return back, type cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now we are in D drive again, or we are in main drive. Now let's open photos directory, or let's get inside the photos. Inside photos also we can create different photos like birthday photo, friends photo, or tour photos, etc. For example, type cd command. It is used to change the directory. Space. Now in which folder or directory do you want to open? For example, I want to get inside photos directory where I want to create some other directories. Now cd space, now new directory name, that is photos. Press enter. Now here I am inside photos directory. Now I can create more directories like MD birthday, MD tour, MD friends. Press enter. Here we have created 3 subdirectories inside photos directory, and here we have created 3 directories inside songs directory, and inside Nepali directory here we have created pop, remix and sentimental, 3 more directories. Now let's go in my computer and view the directories whether you have created or not. Now just go to my computer. Inside D drive, here you can see 2 directories like photos and another is songs. Now let's open songs directory. This songs directory that we had created in Microsoft DOS. यो Microsoft DOS प्रयोग गरेर बनाइएको डाइरेक्टरी हो। यसलाई डबल क्लिक गर्नुहोस्। अहिले हामीले songs भन्ने फोल्डर खोलिसकेको छौं। यो songs भित्र हामीले DOS बाटै बनाएका तीनटा फोल्डरहरू तपाई देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। हामी यो विन्डोजमा फोल्डर भन्छौं भने DOS मा चाहिँ डाइरेक्टरी भनिन्छ। Okay, so here we have created more 3 subdirectories or nested folders, and inside Nepali we have created remix, sentimental and pop. Let's double click on it to open. See, here we have created 3 more subdirectories inside Nepali folder. Like this we can create nested folders using DOS. Let's close this folder explorer. Similarly, here also we have created more 3 folders inside photos directory. This photos folder or directory also we created in Microsoft DOS. Now just double click on it or right click on it to open and click on open. See, here we have created 3 more subdirectories. These directories were created in Microsoft DOS. Like this we can create directories or folder using Microsoft DOS. Now type CLS. That clears the screen. Now the screen has been clear. Here we used MD to make directory, CD to change directory or to open the directory or to get inside the directory. Now let's use another internal command, that is RD. RD internal command is used to remove the directory. For example, inside D drive, inside songs, inside Nepali, I want to delete the folder or directory REMIX remix. Now I want to delete this directory REMIX remix of D drive. Now press enter. Now if you go to my computer, D drive, inside songs, inside Nepali, here you don't see remix. Why? Because we just deleted the directory with the name remix. Okay, now let's see again. If you want to view the list of directories again, you can type dir. Here you can see a list of directories. Here we have a folder or directory with songs. If you want to list out the directories of songs, you can get inside the directory. For example, CD space songs. Songs. Press enter. Now we are in songs directory. Now to list out the directories and files inside of songs directory, type dir. Press enter. Here you can see a list of directories in English, Hindi, Nepali. You can see 3 directories inside songs. Here we displayed a list of directories using dir command. Now if you want to remove the directory Hindi, just type RD space. Now the directory which you want to remove, for example HINDI Hindi. Now press enter. Now whether the Hindi name directory is removed or not. Now let's try to type dir command, press enter. In this list, here you don't see a directory with the name Hindi, because this Hindi directory has been removed from the type or songs directory. यो songs भित्र हामीले जसरी अघि माथिल्लो हाम्रो लिस्टमा इङ्ग्लिश, हिन्दी र नेपाली देखेको थियौं, अहिले फेरि dir कमान्ड प्रयोग गरेर डाइरेक्टरीहरू भ्यू गर्दाखेरि देखेनौं। किन भन्दा we deleted the directory using rd or remove directory command. We removed Hindi directory, so in this list you don't see Hindi directory. CLS, let's see again dir. Here you don't see Hindi directory because you remove the Hindi directory from the songs directory. Now let's remove English also. Type rd command space. Here I want to remove English. Type ENGLIS English, because here I want to remove this English directory. Now press enter. Now again type dir command to list out the directories. In this list you don't see English directory. Why? Because it has just been deleted. Like this we can use rd command to remove the directory. You cannot remove the directory that contains other subdirectories. You can only delete empty directory. Now type cd to come one step back. Now type cls to clear the screen. Now let's close Microsoft DOS. Type exit to get out from DOS. Press enter. Now the DOS has been closed.